TV unit design ideas. A living room decor is incomplete without a full-screen television on a beautiful TV unit with decorative items shining on its shelf. Enhance the charm and elegance of your living room with a TV unit ideas that work for your TV. Be it contemporary, classic, traditional, or minimal room decor. Pick up the TV unit ideas that fit the best to your decor. Add functionality and decorative element to your room with fabulous TV unit design ideas. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this video, I am going to show you amazing and beautiful charming TV unit stand or TV cabinet unit design ideas. So please keep watching the video till at the very end. And also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Also press on bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notification. The TV unit design ideas vary for different design, like it would be different for a comfortable television view experience as compared to one with storage space. Everyone wants to own the best TV unit design, the one with a spectacular style and incredible functionality. However, choosing the right TV unit design depends on a variety of factors to consider when selecting TV unit design. There are a few things that we need to consider while choosing a TV unit design. Picking the TV unit idea for the furniture unit you want to install in your living room is critical. It is essential to understand the style and appearance of the television and the space available for it. Out of the plenty of TV unit ideas available, we can choose the one that suits our TV and space perfectly fine. Apart from these factors, we need to make sure that its material and finish also match the style, design, and color of the room. The TV set units are made of different material, including wood and metal. It is also necessary that you pick a TV unit idea that is perfect for weight of the television and other elements. Also, there is a chance of terminate getting into your furniture and eating it from inside. Also, there is a chance in that case your TV unit furniture would be in shambles in a few years. Use a product like Terminator from the stable to gain protection against termites. Another factor that we need to keep in mind is its storage space. Some TV unit design have multiple shelves in different design, while some have more open surface space. You can choose the one that meets your requirement, which can be of storing multimedia devices or the look of the area with decorative item. Few things to understand while exploring TV unit design. As you go on to pick an ideal TV unit as an additional to the furniture in your house, it is necessary to be sure of a few things. Contemplate whether you want a wall-mounted TV unit design or want to go with a free-standing TV unit idea. A wall-mounted unit looks sleek and stylish except for its storage shelves. Again, the furniture for a wall-mounted TV unit needs to be free from moisture, which can be achieved by coating the bar plywood with a product. A free-standing TV unit idea offers a classic traditional look. Apart from the TV unit design ideas, it is also essential to study the space where you are planning to plant this furniture item, whether it is in your living room or bedroom or guest room. Depending on the area, you can decide on the size and style of the TV unit. How much storage space do you need? The storage space you need in a TV unit design on the equipment you have. Even the TV unit design varies as per the type of equipment, such as speaker, additional audio, video equipment. If you have various multimedia devices, wires, cords, and you want to go, keep it separate and organized. It will be recommended to go for TV unit design ideas with multiple shelves. Pick the right material. It is personal choice to choose the material of a TV unit would give a natural warmth with a traditional appeal. You can opt for either steel unit design ideas as it is stronger to support heavy weight. A TV unit is the one of the top furniture in a room and hence they are imparted with the most premium look possible. The furniture is laminated with a high quality and textured laminates so that they are durable. These laminates are mostly more than 1 millimeter thickness and if not casted with the right quality adhesive result in spring back action leading to double formation. For such requirement you can choose a premium quality work. Other material you can choose are glass, stainless steel, aluminium and modern plastic. Each of these has a unique look and appearance in the construction of TV unit. Tempered glass is another elegant and stylish material that you would want for your contemporary decor. Now we are discussing about popular TV unit design. Television units have become an essential part of a room decor. It is also vital to select an apt TV unit design idea for your room. Mount the TV wall and place it at the right place to accentuate the look of the room. Available in various style and size. There is a wide range of TV unit design ideas that suit just right for every specific room and TV. However, one needs to consider the space and design of the room to pick the right kind of the TV unit design ideas. Also, one needs to be aware of the variety of TV unit design ideas that one can choose from, for sticking laminates to the curved border of the TV set. Regular glue doesn't work effectively. For this application, you would choose high grab and fast setting. Faster properties work as well as compared to regular white glue. One of the most popular TV unit design open shelves serve as a practical purpose with a less flashy arrangement yet an eye-pleasing unit to add to your decor. Its design features as a center frame with many shelves for a storage and escalated sport design for the television. A console-style TV unit design integrates shelves and a spacious surface area for the television making it an incredible piece of furniture for the living room. It features shelves in different designs including closed shelves, audio tower stand. An audio tower stand is a functionality equipped TV unit design with audio towers. It is a full entertainment unit with a contemporary style that fits just right with your modern room decor. The TV unit features a center stand and a pair of the tall shelves designed for the speaker and other equipment. Classy cabinet. If you are looking for a TV unit design that is sleek and less space occupying, a classy cabinet suits your decor perfectly. It is available in two styles. One has a surface for the television with closed shelves and the other has a complete cabinet with total coverage inside which the screen can be hidden. The floating TV unit design has a wall-mounted style with cover-ups for wires and cord. Either you can put the television on the top or wall-mounted above the floating unit. It offers an open and clean floor space. Complete center. The complete center TV unit design features a large television stand with various open and closed shelves for storage purpose. It accentuates your living room with the entertainment ensemble. With the understanding of the above mentioned information about the types of TV unit design and its materials, it will be easier to make an informed and conscious effort to pick the right TV unit design as your furniture unit. After considering the factor and their importance, it will help you in purchasing the TV unit that fit just right for your television and space. So make sure you do justice to your sleek flat TV screen and the elegant decor room. TV unit design, you can find a large number of TV unit design ideas to suit your interior decor theme. Plus, with the help of these ideas, you can choose a coating material, keep your piece of furniture and durable for years to come. What is the TV unit? Actually, that is a question when we start planning to choose a TV unit design. A TV unit is a piece of furniture that can be considered as the king of all other furniture piece in the house. It is central attraction in living room decor. It gives the living room its importance. Thus, a TV unit is a furniture's set that is the soul of your room. Should the TV stand be wider than the TV? It is a question. Yes, it definitely should be. The TV unit design of modern days is amazingly sleek. It is flat, wide, and rectangular, covering the full wall behind the TV. Hence, the TV stand can totally be wider, but it must look elegant while standing in your living room. How do I choose a TV unit stand? You must choose a TV unit design idea on the basis of your living room decor. It is essential to study the area where you are planning to install the TV unit. Depending on the space, and you can decide the size and style of your TV unit. What can I use for a TV unit stand? After the commercialization of a flat screen TV, the TV unit stand have gotten slim. Usually lightweight material like glass or metal are good for small space. A long slim that can be accommodate books, frames and many other things along with the TV works as a decent TV unit stand. Again, a good TV stand has a built-in basic cable management system. I hope that you like these ideas. I am very thankful to all of those who keep watching the video till at the very end, because it is a great sport to me that we were watching the video till at the very end. I again request to you, please hit on like button for YouTube algorithm, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos and also press on bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you will get notification. Also, please share these ideas, discuss with your family, with your friend about TV unit stand which are best for you, and also share these ideas on social media platform like WhatsApp and Pinterest and Facebook and Twitter. Thanks again. We will meet in next video. I am uploading videos about home decor ideas, so please visit the channel and watch the video which enhance the beauty of your home decor. Thanks again.